The global appetite for premium Malaysian Musang King durian is accelerating at a staggering rate. We are watching it scale into a massive international commodity, with demand projections climbing steeply over the next 10 years. But the industry is about to hit a hard ceiling. Legacy farming methods simply break down when subjected to this kind of intense volume pressure. Growers struggle with inconsistent fruit quality, rapid soil depletion, and vulnerabilities threatening entire harvests. To meet the upcoming demand and capture market dominance, producers have to bypass these hurdles with a massive upgrade in agricultural technology. Solving those specific bottlenecks requires frontier genomic science and precision agriculture. The underlying problem here is deeply structural. The commercial logistics companies moving the fruit don't operate deep R&D labs, and the academic institutions doing the science don't move at the speed of commercial commerce. This infographic from the upcoming URIIS 2026 summit maps out the solution. It illustrates a physical, operational bridge connecting deep university research directly to urgent industry problems. Looking at the data table here, you can see the scale of this initiative. It coordinates over 1,000 participants to filter down more than 200 curated, investable technology outputs. It acts as a de-risked channel for private capital, allowing commercial players to safely fund and acquire national-level R&D. The anchor for this specific technological bridge is University Putra Malaysia, or UPM. This framework from the Ministry of Higher Education shows how national expertise is categorized. The government has officially designated UPM as the primary driver for agtech and food biotech. Inside their laboratories, researchers are currently running complex durian genome analysis, executing advanced soil chemistry profiling, and developing smart agronomic sensors. They are generating the exact baseline data for plant nutrition and biodiversity preservation that commercial growers need to survive the next decade. The specific intellectual property required to scale the durian industry without degrading the product already exists inside their walls. The way private capital accesses that intellectual property is through an initiative called Industry on Campus, or IOC. Under an IOC agreement, private industry integrates their own operational staff and corporate R&D directly into UPM's existing laboratory wings. This setup grants investors immediate access to high-end, capital-intensive instrumentation. It also provides a direct line to recruit elite agricultural graduates before they reach the open job market. By utilizing the university's footprint, private firms bypass the millions of dollars in overhead and years of construction time required to build an independent research facility from scratch. Operating inside UPM through the IRC model is the most capital-efficient way for an agricultural company to build a highly defensible, proprietary technology moat. UPM's local infrastructure is part of a much wider, coordinated strategy supported by the Ministry of Higher Education. The official marketplace for finalizing these partnerships is the University Research and Innovation Investment Summit, or URIIS 2026. The summit will take place from September 21st to the 23rd, 2026, at the World Trade Center in Kuala Lumpur. It aggregates the intellectual assets of Malaysia's 20 public research universities into one physical space. It is the definitive venue where the foundation of ASEAN's future innovation economy will be funded and negotiated. URIIS 2026 operates as a strictly curated marketplace built for deal-making. This funnel diagram outlines the year-long pathway. The process begins with a rigorous discovery and cultivation phase to filter out low-viability projects. By the strategic alignment phase at the funnel's neck, outputs are heavily stress-tested for market readiness and top-down national support. This means investors arrive at a high-density environment where every project on the floor is a fully vetted, actionable target for capital allocation. Whether you are looking to secure a B2B booth, become a core sponsor, or formalize an industry on-campus partnership, the integration window is open now. You can initiate the process today by contacting the official secretariat at secretariat.uriis@mohe.gov.my. Securing your position with UPM at URIIS 2026 is the clearest route to capturing and leading the next wave of Malaysian agricultural technology.